Hey everyone, so in this video we're going to be tackling some molarity practice problems together. But before we jump in, let's quickly review what molarity is. So molarity is the concentration of a solution, defined as moles of solute over liters of solution. So you'll need two things. You'll need the moles of the solute and the total volume in liters. So let's go over the first problem here. What is the molarity of a solution that contains 2.0 moles of NaCl and 0.5 liters of solution? Well, that's simply plug and chug, since M is equal to 2.0 moles over 0.5 liters, and our answer is going to be 4.0 M. Our concentration is 4.0 moles per liter. Now let's try the second problem. How many moles of KBr are in 250 milliliters of a 0.6 mole per liter solution? So firstly, we need to convert 250 milliliters to liters, which is simply going to be 0.25250 liters. And now that we've done that, our moles here is going to be equal to molarity times volume. Actually, I'll show you the conversion for that. Molarity is equal to moles over volume. So you multiply the volume to molarity, and that'll cancel that. So our moles is going to be equal to molarity times volume, which is going to be 0.60 moles per liter times 0.250 liters, which is going to give us a final answer of 0.15 moles. Make sure you show your units. Let's try the next problem. What volume of 1.5 mole per liter HCl is needed to get 0.75 moles of HCl? Well, volume is equal to moles over molarity. Here we can see that we simply switched molarity and volume. So we would have multiplied by volume and then divided by molarity. So that is going to be equal to 0.75 moles over 1.5 moles per liter. And our final answer will be 0.5 liters, which is equal to 500 milliliters. Whichever answer you want to give works. And then for the last problem here, what is the molarity of a solution made by dissolving 58.5 grams of NaCl in 1.0 liters of solution? So this here is a two-step problem. Firstly, we need to find the moles using the molar mass. So the molar mass of NaCl, looking at our periodic table, is equal to 58.5 grams per mole. So we're going to take 58.5 grams per mole, and we're going to divide it by 50. Actually, we're going to take 58.5 grams, and we're going to divide it by 58.5 grams per mole, and that'll give us 1 mole. And then we can plug this into our molarity formula. So M is equal to 1.0 moles over 1 liter. And we will be given 1.0 moles per liter. So a few tips and tricks to remember: always convert milliliters to liters before plugging it in, use molar mass when given grams, and watch your units carefully. Many mistakes come from missing conversions. I hope this video helped. Thank you.